channel. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about happy tea and also how I drink my happy tea. But first, if you want to know more information about the product, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit that bell over there so you have any notification when we upload a new video. The first step that I do when I drink my happy tea is I just grab a regular bottle of water and I just grab my favorite flavor, which is lemon scent. So what I do, I just show you a little bit. And it's super easy because you have that little line on the corner which you can open super fast and easy like this. I just put all the product inside my water like this. Now that I have all the product, I just have to shake it and actually diffuse all that CBD product and all the tea into my water. And something that I do when I drink my happy tea, I always take it in the afternoon when I want something just a refreshment, because I know it's gonna make me calm, it's gonna make me feel good and more relaxed. After I shake super well, my happy tea over here is all ready to drink, and that's the fun part. I love my lemon scent. So after I drink it, I know instantly that you feel more relaxed, you feel more in control of yourself, and it's something that I really appreciate from happy tea. So this is the happy tea lemon scent, and you can see that it has 14 little packs. Each one has 10 milligrams of CBD, and it's super easy to carry with you in your purse, wallet, or even in your makeup bag. Also, we have this amazing flavor, which is mixed berry. It has this explosion of berries and it's like a really nice purple color, like this purple color. It has 14 little packs like our lemon scent, just like this one. Lastly, we have also my favorite product, which is the happy tea shots. You also have 14 little shots into your happy tea, and they have this amazing flavor, which is scent punch. When you smell it, it's like a bubblegum tropical kind of smell that I love, and it's a little shot like this. So the happy tea shot, I'm gonna drink it right now because I really like the flavor. So it's super easy. You have your little shot of CBD oil and then you just drink it. And that's it. You have your shot of happiness. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining us. We hope you really loved the video. We talked a little about a happy tea, and also if you want to know more information and where to get the products, make sure you go to happytea.com. Follow our social media, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we're gonna be uploading a lot of new videos. Hit that bell so you have a notification every time we upload, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.